Hi, boys and girls. There's Miss Indeha. She's helping me out with this video. Sorry, I'm recording with my phone because I tried to record it from my computer. We tried it different ways, but it didn't work. So this is the last resort we came to. So I just wanted to show you, Miss Indejas is the teacher in this Zoom class. I'm the student, so I wanted you to see how it looks like with certain, I guess you could say, icons and certain things that you can use on here that you may not be familiar with. So on this side, you will see that our names come up. If your name is not on here, then you may go to more and you can press rename and then you can change your name. So let's say that I change it to my first name. Let's see if I can spell it.
I did it on mine.
Oh, Miss Indejas did it on hers too. So we changed our names and just press rename and then it renames it. So it's easier for the teacher to see who's asking questions or who's wanting to know how to do something. And the way that you can raise your hand, because there's going to be a lot more pictures on here. So it's not just going to be two people like Miss Indejas and I. There's going to be maybe 30 of you or more or less, but it's going to be complicated to see everybody's hands. So a way that you can do it, and the other thing is that your teacher might mute you. So Miss Indejas, can you mute me? So I'm on mute. Miss Indejas may be showing a presentation or she might be doing a PowerPoint, so she can't hear me at all. So let's say that I have a question and I need to know the answer to what she's talking about for that certain slide. I can go on the bottom right hand side, right here where it says raise hand. And when I click on that, you'll see that a blue little hand comes up right here and on the corner of my screen. So Ms. Indejas is still presenting, but I still have the question. So I can tell her, let's say I'm going to give Ms. Indejas a wave so she knows to unmute me. So Ms. Indejas, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you a question. Can you lower my hand?
Okay.
There. So she knows that I asked the question and she answered it. So that's how the teacher will know that she answered that student's question. Let's say that I raise my hand again because I have a question, but as Ms. Indejas is presenting, she answers my question. I can go on the bottom. The same way I raised my hand, I can lower my hand. So I took it off. The other thing that I wanted to show you is on the bottom here. Let's see if I can do it. Sorry, I'm switching hands here. On the bottom, there's icons and you can go to reactions. And let's say Miss Indejas is trying to take a survey without everybody yelling, yeah, I understand, yes, I get it. She may say, okay, if you get it, give me a thumbs up. And then you'll see right here that I have a thumbs up. And it'll disappear after a while. The other thing you want to make sure on this side, if it's got a slash like this and a red slash through it, that means that you're on mute. You may want to unclick it. And if you click on it and it's still mute, or if your video is not showing and your screen is black right here and not showing your face, then you may want to log out of Chrome or your computer and restart it, or you may want to first refresh it and see if that'll work and then log back in, and usually it'll pick it up again. So hopefully that helped. If you have any questions, and lastly, your teacher may ask you to share something. If you do, you're gonna go right here where this green box is. You're gonna click on it, and usually you're gonna use the first two, the desktop and the whiteboard. So if you're on desktop, everything that appears on your desktop, for example, will be shown. So this is my desktop. Now it's not Miss Indehas's desktop anymore. So she may say, okay, Miss Yaniz, go to Chrome and show me this or that. So I go on there and I show it to her, and then she goes, okay, go ahead and stop share. You're gonna go at the top right here, stop share, and then it goes back. Maybe you're doing math and you're gonna go to share screen and your teacher says, go to the whiteboard, click on it, share, and then 2 plus 2, it's harder than it looks. And then your teacher sees your answer or your work. So there's the different icons to how you can do it. If your teacher tells you to change the text, erase it, you make a mistake, you can use the eraser. If you need to clear it, then you can clear all drawings. And you can also save it in case the teacher asks you to save your work. So that's how you can use the whiteboard. Stop share, and you're back to this screen. So I hope that was helpful. Again, if you have any questions, just email me, okay? Thank you. Thanks, Miss Indejas. Bye.